Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you something that has transformed my showering routine for the better. It's the Rohkex heavy duty corner shower stool. And this little stool is a marvel of versatility. Let me tell you a little bit about why I love this waterproof stool so very much. Immediately upon putting the stool together, I noticed that it really lived up to that heavy duty title. And aside from that, it is absolutely stunning. It has a very sleek and modern look to it, and it fits in perfectly with my other bathroom decor and matte black finishes. I was so happy to add a seating spot in my shower because there are times when you just want to turn on the hot water, let steam fill the room, and truly unwind. And that's exactly what this stool does. It gives me that nice little resting spot. Shaving my legs is also now so much more convenient. I now have a safe and secure place to prop my leg up and shave while I have all of my products right at arm's reach. This design, also featuring two shelves, allows for me to use the top portion of the stool while keeping my other bathroom essentials like shampoo, body wash, right at arm's reach. Also helps me to keep my shower space nice and tidy. This shower stool really is so much more than just a piece of bathroom furniture. The fact that it's sturdy, it's waterproof, it's meant for this space, and has so much utility and beauty to it makes it the perfect addition to any bathroom. And that's my point of view.